Damn.
You do your first thing. How is
Kids.
Santa Ana is a place to live?
Kids, what's that?
How is Santa Ana is a place to live?
Oh, it's alright. It's not really that nice, actually.